Welcome to Lesson 52, Write and Graph Inequalities. Lesson 52 is Algebraic Concepts. Here's our objective, vocabulary, rules and notes. Just some things to think about when dealing with a number line. So you will see this when you see the brackets, and the brackets are squared off. They include the numbers. When you see parentheses, they're rounded off. They do not include the numbers. So please be aware of that that terminology. So just brackets and braces and why we include them. So here's a thing to think about all the solution set. So let me go through this. So we're talking about all the numbers in between and including A and B. All the numbers in between A and B, not including A and B. So A is included, B is not. So all of these numbers, A is not included, B is included. And so which one is this? Less than or equal to B. So this all numbers including B and less. All numbers including A and bigger. All numbers not including B and smaller. All numbers not including A and bigger. And in this set is infinite and open, which means all numbers. So that is the breakdown of this chart. And again, we saw these symbols on the last one. Okay. A school wants to raise at least. At least is a comparison word, 1,500. So what do? At least. The lowest amount. So every number bigger than or equal to 1,500. That's what's on our right side on a car wash event. If car washes are 12 each. So you got 12 car washes. I could write C, I could write W, but I'll just write X. So 12 each. Each is one of those rate words. And we'll talk about this when we get to functions and linear equations. But car washes are $12 each. That means one car wash is $12. How many cars you're going to need to be washed to make the goal? And we'll talk about how to solve these on a later video. But we're just writing and setting them up. Okay, very few books have this, but you will see this out. There's these braces, these funny looking parentheses are called braces. The square ones are called brackets. The set of A, where A is greater than or equal to -5. So if you're ever wondering what all of that stuff means, the set of all numbers identified by A that are greater than, close circle, and we call this A. Not A, I'm sorry, we don't call this A. This is -5. A represents any number in the solution set. And put a 0 for reference. So any number to the right of -5 is in the solution set. And then 3. Okay, so we can see our first example where we use the parentheses for open and close. So what does that tell us? Put a 0 for reference, 6.5. So our interval goes from -infinity to 6.5. So what does that mean? We do not include 6.5, but all numbers less than 6.5 are included in the solution set. So that's how the interval goes from -infinity up to 6.5. So it's coming from the left and going all the way up to 6.5. So those were our 3 examples. Try to do the practice problems, and I will see you at the end of the video. Okay, write a variable, then write an inequality for each word sentence. Jamie's arcade game score is more than 1,200 points. So we call it G for game, or I could have said S for score, is more than 1,200. Write a variable. All right. Miss Jones said each student's class party expenses to be a maximum of $15. So let's say party maximum. So the highest it can be is 15. So it has to be 15 or less. It can be bigger than 15. The maximum is 15. So that is your comparison. The party is less than or equal to 15. Write each solution in set builder and interval notation. So set builder has the little goofy braces. So all numbers H, where H is less than 4. That's set builder. And so we know that H is less than 4. So we have a parenthesis because we're not including 4. This is not less than or equal to. And then we go down to negative infinity. And negative infinity can never be reached. So that will always be open. You can never have a bracket at negative infinity. Write each solution set builder and interval. Okay. So less than or equal to 190.5. So the set of all numbers W, where that vertical line in this instance in set builder notation means where W is less than or equal to 190.5. And then we close the set out. Okay, so that's set builder. So interval notation, we include 190.5. And then we go down to negative infinity, which is not included. So one parenthesis, one bracket. So those were our 4 problems. I hope you had success with those things. Please stop the video, go back, go forth, do all of those things to give yourself a better understanding if you made a mistake. So thank you for watching this video. And if you like what you see, subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video.